Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this meeting, we will learn about integers. And at the end of the chapter, you should be able to use negative numbers, rational numbers, and real numbers in real-world context, represent real numbers on number line, and perform operation on real numbers. So, what is integer? All the whole numbers and all of their opposite on the numbers line including 0. So, the integers starting from minus infinity until positive infinity. So, the set of integers starting from minus infinity until positive infinity. Okay, now what is positive numbers? Positive numbers is a number greater than a 0. So starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. If you don't see a negative or positive sign in front of a number, the number is positive. So for example, 7 is the same as plus 7. 3 is the same as plus 3. If you don't see a negative or positive sign in front of a number, the number is positive. So we are talking about the negative numbers. Negative numbers is a numbers less than a 0. We can say minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on. How about the 0 numbers? 0 is neither a positive nor a negative integers. So, integers can be expressed in number lines. It can be expressed in horizontal lines and vertical lines. In horizontal lines, the numbers above of 0 are positive and numbers below of 0 are negative. How about vertical numbers? So, the numbers above a 0 are positive and numbers below a 0 are negative. So now we are talking about the comparing integers. Use the line to compare the following integers with more than, lower than, or equals to. The hint: on a number lines, the number to the left is always less than the number to the right. Di dalam garis ini, angka-angka yang berada di sebelah kiri selalu lebih kecil dari angka-angka yang berada di sebelah kanannya. Okay, for examples, minus 4 and minus 2. Minus 4 is to the left of minus 2. So minus 4 is exactly minus 4 is less than minus 2. How about 1 and minus 3? 1 is right than minus 3. So we can say that 1 is bigger than minus 3, or 1 is more than minus 3, exactly. How about minus 5 and 0? Minus 5 and 0. Minus 5 letaknya ada di sebelah kiri dari 0. Minus 5 lebih di kirinya 0. Maka bisa dibilang minus 5 is less than 0, exactly. Jadi, angka-angka yang terletak di sebelah kiri selalu akan lebih kecil dari angka-angka yang di sebelah kanannya. Ya. Okay, now we use vertical number lines. Yeah. Okay, the hint, on a number line, the number on the top is always greater than the number on the bottom. Angka yang berada di atasnya selalu lebih besar dari angka yang berada di bawahnya. We are going to the examples. Minus 3 and minus 5. Minus 3 and minus 5. Ya. Minus 3 ini ada di atasnya minus 5, ya. So we can say that minus 3 is bigger than minus 5, exactly. Ya. Angka yang berada semakin ke atas, dia akan semakin besar. Ya. The number on the top is always greater than the number on the bottom. Semakin naik angkanya, dia semakin besar. Ya. Okay. How about minus 5 and 0? Minus 5, this one, minus 5 and 0. Yeah. Minus 5 is bigger or lower or less than. So minus 5, dia di bawah dari 0. So minus 5 is less than 0, exactly. Okay, the last one. How about 0 and minus 1? 0 and minus 1. Yeah. 0 and minus 1. 0 ada di atasnya minus 1. So we can say that 0 is bigger than minus 1. Okay, exactly. Okay, now we will try to ordering the integers from the least to the greatest. Yeah. Minus 4, 3, 0, and minus 5. So we are starting from the least. Minus 5. We're starting from the left to the right. Minus 5. Ya. Dari yang kecil ke yang besar, berarti mulai dari yang kiri ke yang kanan. Minus 5. And then minus 4, exactly. And then 0, exactly. And 3, exactly. So the result is minus 5, minus 4, 0, and 3. Okay, good. Okay, now opposite number. What is opposite numbers? So opposite numbers is the numbers that are the same distance from 0 in the opposite direction. So the opposite number from minus 3 is 3. The opposite number from minus 2 is 2. The opposite number from minus 1 is 1. Okay. So, the example. What is the opposite of each integer? Positive 7. What is the opposite integer? Positive. So, the opposite is negative 7. Okay, exactly. Now, the opposite number from plus 1 is minus 1. Yeah. Okay. Next examples. How about minus 5? What is the opposite from minus 5? Is positive 5, exactly. And the opposite number from minus 8 is positive 8, exactly. Okay, now you are probably saying that is interesting and everything, but where are negative numbers in the real world? Aplikasinya angka-angka negatif dalam kehidupan sehari-hari ada nggak sih? Gitu ya. Oke ya, kita lihat ya. Oke, negative number are used to measure temperature ya. Menghitung temperatur. Ya, menghitung temperatur untuk tempat-tempat yang dingin kita gunakan negatif ya. Minus 20, minus 10, minus 15, minus 16 ya. Digunakan dalam kehidupan sehari-hari kita. To measure a temperature. What next? A negative number are used to measure under sea level, menghitung kedalaman air laut. Ya, menghitung kedalaman air laut. Minus 10, minus 20 meters below the undersea. Okay. What next? Okay. Now, positive and negative number are used when keeping track of money. Yeah. Positive when you get money, yeah, positive. And negative when you spend money, ya. Positif kalau kamu dapat uang, negatif kalau kamu membelanjakan uang itu, kamu gunakan untuk sesuatu. Akan berkurang, akan menjadi berkurang, ya. Positif itu akan bertambah uang kamu. So, this is the next example. Write an integer to describe the real world situation. Gain 3 pounds. Gain 3 pounds. Positive or negative 3? Ayo, plus or negative? Oke, positive 3 ya. Plus bertambah 3 pounds. Kemudian, next, withdraw $15. Withdraw $15. Positive or negative? Exactly, negative ya. 5 feet below sea level. 5 kaki di bawah permukaan air laut. Di bawah berarti minus 5, exactly. Move ahead 4 space. Bergerak ke depan 4 langkah ke depan. Berarti 4 or positive 4 ya. Jadi 4 atau plus 4 itu adalah hal yang sama. 3 atau plus 3 adalah hal yang sama juga, adalah angka yang sama. Cuman memang tidak lazim diberikan tanda plus di depannya. Okay, I think that's all for today. See you in next meeting.